What is the meaning of life? Are we here for a reason? Is there a point to any of this? First, I had no idea what was going on. I couldn't see a thing. It was warm. There was my mother. Every day I had fun. Was having fun the point? The whole point? No, it couldn't be that simple.
Here's one.
And then it was over.
That's it for you.
No more fun. It seemed like such a short life. I mean, what exactly did I do? There was some playing. There was some eating. I dug in the dirt. But when I really thought about it, it didn't add up to much. I was back, and I was a puppy again, alive and ready to ask the big questions, to dig for answers. Just let me in there. Where am I?